This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. This beautiful 4-bedroom 3-bathroom house is located on the desirable street MANNS Harbor with a beautiful view in the backyard. The formal room is currently being used as a billiard room, but the possibilities are endless for how to utilize the space. The gorgeous foyer leads from the formal rooms in the front to a large family room and a spacious kitchen that would be any chef's desire. The kitchen features plenty of counter space, 2 islands, and a separate breakfast nook. This floor plan allows for privacy in the master bedroom, where you will find a huge walk-in closet. The master bathroom includes a luxurious shower with a tiled shower bench. 2 of the secondary bedrooms are Jack and Jilled with a bathroom that features 2 sinks. The 3-car garage allows for plenty of room for all vehicles. This home is perfect for entertaining friends and loved ones, both indoors and outdoors. This gorgeous home is located in the highly sought-after community of Murray Bay. This waterfront community features freshwater lagoons and amazing amenities and allows you to live a resort lifestyle. Come and enjoy the beach entry community pool, water slide, lap pool, tennis, basketball, pickleball, and sand volleyball courts. Kayaks, life jackets and paddle boards are provided for those who love water sports. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Calvert at 509-294-6818.